Hey, everybody. One thing that I get asked about, or just that comes up sometimes when talking with others that are just starting out, is how do you keep costs low when you're starting to charge people? So I thought I'd go through a little demo of PayPal. PayPal is free. It gets its money from the percentage that it takes from the amount that they pay. So I believe that's 2.9%, same as Stripe. It's very easy to integrate with your website, and they have an invoicing option. So we go to invoicing, and you can set up recurring invoices. You can do an estimate. You can do all kinds of different things straight from within business account of PayPal. So we're going to just create a blank invoice. And here you can add your company logo, select the type for the invoice. So was it a service or was it digital goods? Put who it's billed to, any copy emails that you want to do, the frequency, when it's due, the date, and then down here, you can also do hours. So it can redo it for hours. You can do it for amount or quantity. Switch this back to service. So here you can put the number of hours and then the rate, and it will show up how much it costs. You can allow a partial payment or allow a customer to add a tip. Both very, very nice. You can add a discount. You can have your terms and conditions and your receipt. And then you can also attach files. So if you have like a program that tracks your time and so forth, you can attach a PDF or a CSV or something like that of a report of your time. Can also add a memo to yourself so that this is just kind of like a private memo that isn't seen by the customer or by the client. You can also send via PayPal, share the link, save as a draft or save as a template if it's one that you're doing often, if it's kind of a common one, especially as you edit things like the business information and the logo and stuff like that. You want to keep all of that together. So very easy to set up, very easy to send. Lots of people are really familiar with PayPal. It's really nice internationally. It works in a lot of different situations, and it's relatively low cost. So you don't have to pay for a CRM. The things like HoneyBook and Dubsado and QuickBooks do. Granted, a lot more, but they're also very, very pricey, especially if you're just starting out and you just need a way to invoice and collect money and get into your bank account. So thanks for watching.